Yo guys, what's up? The freaking awkwardness. So guys, I'm back in the fort as you can tell. So guys, I actually found a pretty nice camp, made a fire. I got some firewood. I actually made a few things like a hammer for my knife to, cut down trees. This guys, it's pretty sad, but I forgot my saw, so I can't really do much. But anyway guys, so I'll show you around the camp. Alright guys, not much. I got a massive pile of birch bark. Like, seriously, that's my hand compared to all. Guys, that's a fire. I was gonna use that for some, like, shelter. I'm gonna make a lean-to or teepee. I got it from this tree. So there's actually a lot more I can get from this. There's a few other ones just like that, guys. So, I think I'm pretty much 100 feet into the forest, guys. I really did not want to go far, guys, because I'm telling you, but the last time, like, so the first time and then the second time, like in the last video, when I said I was going to add on to the video, the first time and that second time, bear with me, guys. But yeah, I almost got lost. It was pretty sad, guys. So for my friend Matthias and like Matthew, I probably would have got lost, guys. No, like no doubt about that. So guys, that's pretty much. Probably gonna make a lean-to, maybe a like small teepee. There's nothing big. This is like not my temporary camp. Just making shelter. Like fire. Probably gonna stay here a few nights. Probably film that. So guys, that's pretty much all I'm really doing. Probably make a little mini series on this. Anyway guys, see you next clip. So guys, this is like an introduction for like making a shelter, like a bushcraft. Number 2, guys. So basically, probably gonna make a shelter. Get like do lots of things. Maybe make quarters, guys. I might get to that. But guys, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to really set up in the camp, guys. If you got lost, or if you just wanted to survive like I do. So guys, whatever you want me to do, because I'm kind of lost here, guys. Bushcraft is pretty much what I do. Like, I go to the forest almost every day. So guys, if you want to comment down below if you want more workout challenge, if you want to sit down challenge, guys, like these 2 videos up here. Okay, so guys, leave a like, then I know you enjoyed the video, guys, and see you in the next one.